Trading advantage. And Larry, I was reading through some of the notes that you sent out this morning, and basically, your take on labor report for the markets is it's okay.
Yeah, I mean, not too bad, and certainly we got the S&Ps up 12 points, and Margaret mentioned the Dow starting up, up 3 or 4 points. Certainly, when all the stocks open, it's going to be a decent amount higher than that. So certainly, the trend has been up. We saw a 300 point day in the Dow a couple days ago, and we got a lot of people long. I've talked to you about this before. Shook a lot of shorts out, and I think people are trying to decide what to do. But it seems like a lot of people are willing to buy at the top end of the range, which is certainly where we're at right now in the stock indexes.
Well, Larry, let's take a look at. Remember, we had a 500-point rally in the Dow Jones just 2 days ago here. How much of the market today was already this job expectation baked in, and how much of it really was some kind of impetus for a driving force about this jobs number?
Well, a big part of it was, people getting in front of this, right? ADP came out a couple days ago, and it was even better than the actual number came out. But then we saw the unemployment rate, drop a decent amount. Now, you got two sides of the coin here. Traders down here certainly are talking about whether they're looking at the U3 data or they're looking at the U6 data, which didn't improve as much. And so, traders are a little bit confused. But again, the market is at trends higher. You talked about 500 points higher in the Dow the other day. A lot of people got stuck in short positions as that rally happened, and now they've got to decide what to do. And again, with being up 12 points in the Dow, seeing a little bit of M&A activity, and then that report being, like Betty said, okay, I think a lot of people are willing to step in and buy here. They don't want to miss what I think a lot of people are thinking a year-end rally is already kind of, well on the way.
So in other words, then, Larry, absent any really big news that could take the markets down, I mean, essentially the trend is up, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And, fund managers, they don't want to miss out if the end of the year rally happens, which it's doing. So they really have no choice to step in now if they didn't get in a couple days ago before the Dow, like Dom said, rallied 500 points.
Okay, Larry, thank you. Good to see you again. Sure. Have a great weekend. Larry Levin of Trading Advantage. Still ahead on In the Loop, the Obama administration's reaction